Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level with Delta Executor. To begin, ensure your Delta Executor is properly installed and configured for your game. This powerful tool helps automate repetitive tasks, significantly boosting your experience gain. The key is to identify and consistently execute high-yield activities within your game. We will explore specific strategies to maximize your leveling efficiency and reach the highest possible level quickly and effectively. Automating tasks is crucial for rapid leveling. Delta Executor allows you to create and run scripts that perform actions like completing quests or gathering resources automatically. For example, setting a script to run for at least 4 to 6 hours each day can provide a steady stream of experience points. This continuous activity, even when you are away, ensures consistent progress towards your maximum level. Effective resource management directly impacts your leveling speed. Always prioritize items and upgrades that offer direct experience bonuses or significantly reduce task completion times. Consider investing in tools that can cut your task duration by 25 to 50%. Additionally, strategically trading any excess resources for experience multipliers can provide a substantial boost, helping you climb levels much faster. To truly optimize your leveling, engage in high-experience events and challenges whenever they are available. These often provide 10 to 20 times the experience of regular tasks. Collaborating with other players can also grant significant group experience bonuses, sometimes increasing your gains by up to 30%. Finally, always keep your Delta Executor updated to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest efficiency features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.